Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has reiterated that mining in the state will resume by September. Parrikar said mining policy will be out by July-August. He was speaking at the GCCI's 106th Annual General Body meeting. Parrikar also informed that global RFP for Mopa Airport will be out by July. The meeting stressed on promoting Goa as electronics hub.
Annoyed with the state of affairs, miners in the state are planning to move Supreme Court over renewal of leases and getting rid of brand illegal mining. However, Parrikar-led government is still unable to set a concrete deadline for declaring its mining policy. From June, now it's July-August.
Next 2 months, I assure Goa Chamber, and I also assure you that mining will start definitely by September. I have no confusion on what should be done. फक्त हांवें कित्याक मातसो वेळ लायला कारण आमचे कडेन खूब प्रत्येक गजालीत अर्थ काडणारे शाणे खूब आहा त्यामुळे त्या शाण्यांक थोडोसो लिवे दिवया म्हणून हांव रावलो पण योग्य टायमार म्हाका दिसता जुलय ऑगस्ट पर्यंत तूं मायनिंग पॉलिसी प्लेस आसली इन्सिडेंटली द न्यू एअरपोर्ट global RFP should be out before July.
Parrikar also said that "Achhe din aa rahe hain" cannot expect Modi government to do miracles. He doesn't want to burden Modi's administration.
A lot of people ask me, "Achhe din aane wale the, aa gaye kya?" I say no. Aaye nahi, aa rahe hain. Don't expect miracles. I don't want to burden the administration with a special status problem right in the first day.
The keynote speaker for the meeting, founder of HCL Infosystems Ajay Chaudhary, stressed on need to make Goa as an electronic hub.
Goa has a great opportunity to create an electronic system design and manufacturing industry. With our policy of encouraging pollution-free green units, electronics, I notice, has found a place in the new investment policy. With its fantastic location, Goa can definitely attract Indian plus global investments.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
The High Court has taken a serious note in a matter where an accused allegedly involved in a threatening and assaulting was seeking anticipatory bail, and the victim had showed consent before court to grant bail to an accused. During the hearing, the bench observed that both accused and complainant are taking police and the court for granted. While rejecting the anticipatory bail plea, the High Court observed that bail cannot be granted merely because complainant himself is advocating to grant bail to the accused.
The High Court in its order has observed that it is curious to note that the accused has made original complainant a respondent in the present matter seeking anticipatory bail. An original complainant has also filed an affidavit apparently supporting the present application for anticipatory bail, mentioning that now the dispute between the parties is being amicably settled. But during the hearing, Justice A.R. Joshi observed that both the accused and complainant are taking police and the court for granted, and bail cannot be granted merely because main complainant himself is advocating to grant the bail to the accused. On the night between 8th and 9th February 2014, history sheeter Shrikant Devu Salgaonkar and Sadanand Shimulkar threatened and assaulted the victim Sajid Akram Hussain by knuckles in a bar at Vagator and demanded an amount of 50 lakhs rupees from him. Anjuna police later rescued the victim after 2 hours, but both the accused fled from the spot. Previously, the High Court had granted Sadanand Shimulkar anticipatory bail as the victim had filed an affidavit advocating to grant him bail. But while dismissing the anticipatory bail application, Justice A.R. Joshi in its order has observed that this court has to scrutinize the circumstances. He also observed that in the opinion of this court, affidavit of the victim is prima facie, an attempt to tamper with the witnesses and mainly the complainant. At this juncture, the said affidavit will have no value and the investigation is in progress. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Health and safety of the consumer is must. To promote the awareness, Bureau of Indian Standard has launched a reward scheme for informer who provides information of misuse of BIS marks. Informer would get reward of 5,000 rupees. Officials of Bureau of Indian Standard briefed media to commemorate Consumer Rights Day.
Wherever you find any misuse of standard mark, kindly BIS through its website www.bis.org.in. We have a reward scheme also. If you give us information about misuse of standard mark, we also give reward for that. The reward amount is maximum 5,000 rupees. The examples are the LPG cylinder, GLS lamps of up to 100 watts, your electric iron, your cables what you install in your houses, the packaged drinking water, that water bottle what you purchase in the market, the natural mineral water bottle what you purchase in the market, the plastic feeding bottles, the infant foods, all these come under mandatory certification. And probably you are also aware about the hallmarking of gold jewelry.
There is a lot of difference between a product which is ISI mark and which is non-ISI mark, because this affects the health and safety of a consumer.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.